What's up, guys? We just finished up with the last consultation on the discussion for transforming this master bathroom. So I hope you stay tuned for this project because we're going to show you from start to finish what's about to happen here. It starts here with this stinky, mildew, moldy shower, which has a leaky shower pan, and we're going to get into this and demo it out, put in a new designer style shower with wall tile, new freestanding tub, paint cabinets, new countertops, new lighting fixtures. So stay tuned, check this out. Okay, so the plan right now is we're going to take these big 36-inch by 12 porcelain tiles, and we're going to have two different styles. One is smooth, and one has this waviness to it, and we're going to use these in the master shower. And we're discussing whether or not we're going to mix up the design a little bit, how we lay this out, but we're going to use this as an accent wall, and it'll be going along the back side of the wall on through to the bottom as a surround to go around the freestanding tub, which, as you can see right now, we've got this big old clunker of a tub taking up the whole corner, and it's just kind of taking up too much space. So we're going to take that out. We're going to change that window out, get rid of that block glass over there, and put in a picture style or picture framed window, and you're about to see this thing get transformed. We've got floor tile, we got paint colors. It's going to be some gray in here. We got this will be a multicolored floor tile. It's going to look like that. Check out our accent tile. It's going to go in the soap boxes. Isn't that sweet? It's got some glass and kind of a metallic look to it. So it's a maniscalco, I think is how you call it. And these will come in different variations and sizes, but I think that's going to look sweet. And this is our floor tile. So there's your mood board right there for all you designer friends. And countertops right there. That's sweet. I think it's a level 2 granite, but that's gonna be awesome. So there you have it. Get ready, here we go. What's up, guys? Oh my God, look at that. Probably gonna be some strong smells. Yeah. When you take the floor out, it's got a bad odor right there. This is the best part, tearing it up. You find the problem? Oh yeah, you can see the water coming out now. And the smell. So this is what's kind of been creating an odor. So this is how a shower pan is supposed to work, actually, folks. This is your first line of defense, but look at the water that's just coming out of this area right now. It's holding the water, and I'm just gonna prop that up there, but there is water underneath here. And so you have a leak right here at the drain, and water's been coming in and sitting in the bottom of this shower pan. And so it's not leaking in the house, so it's not creating a mold problem in the walls, but there is gonna be a real bad smell when we start pulling this floor up. So, and you can see the water is right here. So there's gonna be straight up mold as he starts taking the rest of this out. But really, it's a win because the shower pan did its job. That's the first line of defense for water, and it's been holding that water, which has been creating a small odor as they use the shower because it's coming up around that drain. But the problem actually is around the drain. And so we're gonna tear this out and replace all this. Probably gonna remove the green rock and go with a hardy cement board as well. It's just all the more better. The green board really is fine, it did its job, and you had a solid surface there, but for the tile, I think we're gonna go with the cement board instead, and we're gonna get all this pulled up. Maybe try to get some fans or something as we start pulling it up, because it's gonna create a bad smell. Mucho problemo. Okay, so back to work. Hey guys, welcome to the final view of this master bathroom remodel, and we're excited to show you the finish of how things came along on this project. So one of the first things you'll notice when you walk into this bathroom is this wood-like tile that flows from one side to the other. It has kind of a running effect that goes underneath this floating tub that we installed. If you remember back in the previous footage that there was a big corner like marble tub here. It was jetted, but it was the old style that, just took up so much space. And so one of the things that we did is we removed that. We wanted to kind of minimize the space so that we could have more of an open feel in this bathroom. And so what we have here is a floating tub. This is a jetted tub, and it has a lot of power from what I understand. So one of the things you'll notice as well that we did here is we put the backsplash going around the back side of this tub area. This just kind of creates the space for the tub. Rather than just shoving a tub in the corner, it creates the atmosphere for the tub. You see that we have the corner faucet. So another thing here that we did is we used the countertop materials for the window seal. That just ties everything together. Coordinating colors, as well as has a nice place for shampoo and soaps and things like that, or whatever you would want to display in that area. So between that and the soap box and all that, it has a real neat effect, and you can see this tub is pretty fancy. we actually wanted to create a flow here between the master shower and the tub area. So we like this kind of continual bench that comes outside of the shower and also into the shower. Here we have a diverter system. This is actually a 6-way diverter system. It has temperature control. It has a diverter 6-way system, and you have 2 heads here and a shower rain head coming out of the ceiling up that way. Now the reason why you have a 6-way setting is because you could turn one head on by itself, you could turn another head on by itself, or you could turn this head on by itself, or you could turn this head and this head on by themselves, or you could turn, 1 and 2. So you got 6 settings. So that's the reason why you have 6 settings but 3 fixtures. So I like the design, I like the tile. They actually went and got a designer to help lay out some of the tile as far as the layout and the patterns and the colors that they picked. This tile right here is a pretty cool tile. It has that running effect, and I've actually seen people seam these together where you don't see the lines, rather than all the added cost for doing something like that. In this particular tile, we just went with a similar color grout line to make that kind of go away, and it has a real neat effect to it. Another thing you'll notice is the honeycomb theme in the soap boxes with the decorative tile. This honeycomb as well on the floor. I really like the shower floor here. Of course, we're carrying the matte black faucets, and the drain, all that stuff matches, as well as the hardware for the glass. This is one big piece of glass here. I think it's around 40 square feet of glass. So you got about an 8 by 5 or 8 by 6 foot area. This shower is approximately 7 to 8 feet long. So big, spacious shower. So one of the things that in the effect of choosing tile, our clients chose a smooth tile on this back wall, and we actually used that tile, and it actually worked out best for us to use this because when we attach the glass here, you have a solid or a smooth surface to attach to, as well as the runner that we used all along the bottom is smooth, so that glass has a smooth place to sit. And we used the same tile along the bench, giving it a smooth surface as well. As you can see, it really turned out pretty nice. For lighting in here, we actually reused the location of the recessed lighting over the shower. We felt like that was adequate, although whenever you put a rain head, sometimes it casts some shadows on the wall for the lighting above, but that's just the trade-off for having an awesome rain head coming out of the ceiling. Another thing we did is we added a chandelier over here over the bathtub area. And another thing I forgot to mention a while ago is we actually replaced this window. This was glass block, if you remember some of the previous footage. And we went with an obscured window. I think this is like a 4x4 size window. And it's casting a lot of light into this room and has a pretty dramatic effect as well when you walk in. So as you'll remember, these cabinets were actually stained. We painted these cabinets and we replaced hardware. We added shiplap on the continuous back wall. We also painted the upper cabinet in the toilet area over this way, and we replaced countertops with undermount sinks. Went with the matte black hardware throughout, put some new mirrors, and the light bars, the 3 light bars that go over top of the mirrors as well. It looks spectacular. I love the black matte hardware mixed with the white paint and this nice, beautiful gray style. It's kind of a level 2 granite, 3 centimeters with the bullnose edges. I like this step out here. It gives it a lot of character, and this between cabinet space. If you have the room in your bathroom, this is a great idea to give yourself that added storage, you know, between the two vanity sink areas. So this is just an awesome feel. It's keeping with the farm style theme and has a dramatic effect for that look. So there's really a lot you can do in a bathroom of this size if you know you're willing to go through the process and get the work done. You can totally change your 90s style bathroom into a more up-to-date, modern, farm style, whatever style you want to go to. Obviously, I like the way this one turned out. If you're looking to get your work done, feel free to give us a call. We'll try to help you put a budget together. But I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I'm Josh Helm, wishing you all the best. Thanks for watching Texas Best.